Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make fresh guacamole. In short, guacamole is a famous avocado dip developed in Mexico used in modern Mexican cuisine. Let's start. I am taking avocados, capsicum, onion, garlic, tomato, lime and some corianders. Cut the tomato, remove the seeds and then make small cubes. Same with the capsicum, onion, chop the garlic, coriander and now peel the avocados. Put everything in a bowl. Add salt and lime juice. Mash it as shown in the video. Our first guacamole is ready to eat. You can enjoy this with tacos, nachos, and of course with the burritos. Thank you for watching.